dig up my tree. It's already buried. Daddy, where did you put the tank engine?
I don't know. Dig it up.
Test. Oh. Damn, do it and do it. Ow! That hurt me. There it is. Daddy, he comes to bury you.
Oh no, don't throw mud at me.
No, it's not mud. I'm just burying you.
I don't want to be buried.
Daddy, maybe we should keep these a safe place.
Why are you burying your trains?
Because they like being buried.
Okay. Are you sure?
Because, yes. Daddy, even... Daddy,
Ruffy!